Help out with the bombs. It's a bit far away. Help, help, help. Oh, I missed the people.
4, 3.
You should be okay, you only one back.
Beware.
It's down. Need one more bomb. Yeah, one more outside.
Okay, we can go out.
Outside is closed.
Get Felspar down. This is going well. Felspar's almost down. Okay, he's down. Get the elemental to the elemental. Skull up, get the skull down. Okay, and skull is down. Kill the skull. Single target DPS, focus your DPS. Come on, healers, more DPS. We almost got it. It's looking good. Let's get him down. Good going. Get the fire coolers down. We have 2 fire coolers up. Get the fire coolers down. Spread out for the boom of volatile fire. One fire cooler down, 1 fire cooler to go. Fire caller down. We need the elemental at the elementalist, please. Zenobia or Daffy?
I think Zenobia.
Okay, yeah, we're there, we're there. The skull is there. Kill the skull. Ignore the fire callers. Elementalist, elementalist now. Kill the elementalist. Elementalist, single target, as usual. It's looking good again. We can do it. A little more, Push him. Okay, and fire callers, move ahead of the tanks, move ahead, move toward the next guy. Garrison is dead, I hope he can get himself up. Looks good, guys. Move. Tanks also move. We have new fire callers. Get the new fire callers down. Stop the fire callers from killing the healer. We have 2 fire callers. They're almost dead. Okay, they're dead. I'm taking mine. We have an elemental up. Kill. Okay, the skull is down. Switch elementalist. Elementalist now. Single target DPS, guys. We can do it. We can do it in 1 again. We've done 2 in 1. Now we can do 3 in 1. It's looking good again. Let's do it. Let's do Great, get the fire crawlers. Fire crawlers down, interrupt heals if you see them.
Now we probably also want to bring some security cars low.
We only have 2 up, so kill him before he healed.
Yeah, we're full. Put them out of these shields if you can.
We have new fire crawlers, get the fire crawlers down, fire crawlers. One and a half fire crawlers to go. Half a fire crawler to go. Oh, it would be really awesome if we can get that really low one. Okay, no, we can't. We have this one. Kill this one.
Get ready.
Okay. Skull, skull, skull. Go Elementalist, go nut. Looking a bit short, do what you can, but if you can't, he healed up. Okay, no worries, we want to kill some ads anyway. The shield is up again, clear up the ads, try to get an elemental toward the elementalist already, if you can. Okay, also get the security guards down, don't forget the security guards, we have 2 of them too. Security guard, leave the security guard. Get an elemental. This one? Okay, we have a skulled elementalist. Kill the skull, kill. Stay alive. Help the healers if you have some healing cooldowns. Elementalist, now elementalist. Get him down, it's looking good. Come on guys, we can do it. Don't let the heal go through, please.
Heads. Harrow. Bolt.
We have one more fire caller, guys, go in your corner, don't do bad things with melt.
Yeah, everybody behind the boss.
Everyone in your corner, we have Harrow, good. Go on.
Meld op karren.
Move back with melt, please, move back with melt.
All the Zenobia.
Taunt.
Trying to... out.
Ava's boss.
Meld op Catty. Meld op Fence. All of behind us now, careful. Faye.
We need to move a bit forward, please. Just a bit.
Boss on me.
It's okay, stay there where you are.
Jimjo. Ja, nice Jimjo. Hate free.
We need to move, please move forward.
Duffy. That will be me. Faye.
Taunt.
Karadin. Careful, you're running out of speed.
Ava, move. Move further,
Duffy
move
again.
further. Move, still further.
Careful,
Still further, Ava, still further.
Jimjo.
Boss on me.
Faye.
Stay focused.
Use house sauce, please.
Move, guys, move.
On Duffy again.
Use your personal cooldowns. If you have any healing cooldowns, help the healers, Don't die now. Move forward, move
Jim,
forward,
Joe.
move forward.
Yes! Bloody damn time.